How can I download and install the 9Now app on my TV?
Hey there! In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the 9Now app on your TV. If you enjoy watching shows and movies on the 9Now platform, having the app on your TV will allow you to access all the content directly from your television screen. So let's get started.
Checking TV compatibility.
Before we begin, it's important to check if your TV is compatible with the 9Now app. The 9Now app is available on a variety of smart TVs, including popular brands like Samsung, LG, Sony, and more. To make sure your TV is compatible, check the App Store or the manufacturer's website for a list of supported models.
Accessing the App Store.
Once you've confirmed that your TV is compatible, the next step is to access the App Store on your TV. The App Store is where you can search for and download various applications, including the 9Now app. On most smart TVs, you can find the App Store by navigating through the main menu or home screen. Look for an icon that represents the App Store, such as a shopping bag or a briefcase. Select that icon to open the App Store.
Searching for the 9Now app.
Now that you're in the App Store, it's time to search for the 9Now app. In the search bar of the App Store, type 9Now using the on-screen keyboard. As you type, the App Store will display relevant results. Look for the official 9Now app in the search results.
Downloading and installing the app.
Once you've located the 9Now app in the search results, select it to access the app's page. Here, you'll find more information about the app, such as its features and user reviews. Look for the option to download and install the app, usually represented by a button that says Download or Install. Select that button to start the download process. Depending on the size of the app and your internet connection, the download may take a few minutes. Once the download is complete, the app will automatically install on your TV.
Launching the 9Now app.
After the installation is complete, you can find the 9Now app in your TV's app library or home screen. Look for the app icon, which usually displays the 9Now logo or name. Select the app icon to launch the 9Now app. That's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the 9Now app on your TV. Now you can enjoy a wide range of shows, movies, and live streams right on your television screen. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming!